Yes, welcome on this channel. I welcome you all in this exciting tutorial. So today I'm back with a new video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you the simplest way of getting working. Like in my previous video I shared a video of getting a working host. Then I shared with you another video on how to test if the host is working or not. All those videos are on my channel and I'll leave them in the description. So in today's video, after you getting a working host, after you testing it is working, today we are going to learn how to get more other working hosts using that one working host. Let me hope you understand. In today's video we are going to learn how to multiply that host you have which is working. How can you multiply it and you get more other working ones? I hope I'm very clear in that statement. Let me hope you understand it clearly. So open Chrome. In the search bar you type in this writing that you get signal. Let me hope you are saying you get signal. By the way, I will use this arrow, this computer like mouse, to show you where to click. So after you typing in this word, you tap on search. As we go, please make sure to subscribe on this channel. I always forget to remind you to subscribe on this channel while I'm giving out the steps. So when the page loads, you look where you see you get signal, then you see that you get signal.com, then you tap on it. So here you find a variety of options. So here I recommend you to pick where you see reverse IP domain check. Please make sure to subscribe on this channel. Comment where you don't or you didn't understand, so that we don't leave you behind. So you will zoom in and here you will write a working one, a working host, a working one right here. Delete what is there. So then you write there a working one. For example, let me first put this one. So let's hope this is your host. After you typing in like that, find and click on check. It is located right here. As I said, you follow the computer like mouse on your screen so that you know where to click. So I mean to check here, to click where you see check, and you give it some minutes as it shakes, as you can see here. So you wait until the results are seen. So the results have they have come, and they found 3 domains hosted on this same website, and these are the one which are here below and the other one is here. So let me put this one, then we see it. You see what I'm telling you? That was for example, So let me put in this one which has a lot. Then you click on check. So as it is checking, please make sure to subscribe on this channel. Make sure to subscribe on this channel. So as you can see, this website has, like, this is SNI, or this working SNI. It has other 57, and here they give you its IP format. So this is what I'm telling you, or I was trying to explain to you. And like when you have one working SNI, you can use it to get more other working ones. Like as you can see, this one, all these ones are working SNI. If you doubt, you can try them. Like you can try them in your country if they are supported. So let me hope this video was helpful. All these are a list of working SNI, and you can easily copy them. You can copy them like this, and then you copy. After copying, you save them somewhere for future use. So please make sure to subscribe on this channel. Comment down where you didn't understand. Let me hope this video was helpful. Peace.